In this video, I will show you how to set an alarm using Google Assistant. If this guide helps you, please consider subscribing and liking this video so others can find it. So as you know, Google Assistant is an app that is going to make your life so much easier if you learn how to use it. In case you don't have the app, you can quickly download it on the App Store like this and simply open it. Once you download the app, the only thing that you have to do is to tap on the microphone and start talking to Google Assistant. In this case, I'm going to ask it to create an alarm for me. Hey Google, can you set up an alarm at 7 a.m. tomorrow? And that's it. There's so many more things that you can ask Google Assistant, like to schedule an appointment, to set up a meeting, or different things inside the Google universe. And now you know how to set an alarm using Google Assistant. I hope this video helped you, and if you have any questions, don't forget to leave them down below. Bye!